How many of these do you think I can do? Welcome back to another episode of Ramona Revealed. I'm Regina Flores with Big Block Realty, and today we're going hiking again. We are at Stone Mountain Trail in San Diego Country Estates. This trail is closer to home, but it's less strenuous than the last hike. We are here at the entrance of the trail. The loop is just under 3 miles, and it's a pretty moderate hike. Let's go.
The sun through the tree. Isn't that beautiful? I might fall in that.
Hike might be a little long for kids, but it won't be too hard for them. Yay, we're finished. So that was about 7,000 steps and just a little bit over an hour. And if you're in the area, you really need to check out this gorgeous trail. If you ever have any questions about Ramona or you want to chat real estate, all of my information is in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode of Ramona Revealed.